guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good. Today I'm here at Newtown with my friends and we are going to experience food and drinks, not drinks exactly, coffee house. We are going to coffee house. So these are my friends. Priyanjana, say hi. Hello. Coffee, say hi. So we are out here, but we just faced a little incident here because we have just booked an Uber and we thought that they will leave us at the location, but somehow we didn't check and the driver left us on middle of the road. So again we are going to book and we are going to get there. I'll take you there only, just wait with me. So right now again we booked a Uber and now we are heading to coffee house. So it was a small accident. I don't know. Is this a scam? Is coffee house a scam? We cannot find it. When we follow our Google, we cannot find it. We booked 2 Ubers, but the same location we have dropped off. So I don't know what will happen. Stay with me. So finally we have arrived and now you can see it's behind me. This is our new coffee house. So here we are going inside the coffee house, Newtown, the new one. So many of us today got confused with coffee house Newtown at Eco Park and this one, as Google was not showing the correct location. So we reached here after so many efforts, but actually because that was new for us, and even when I searched in Google it was not there. It was somewhere like Eco Park. So this is near Amity University and you have to set a location for that only. This was the breakfast menu and this is Monday closed. Yeah. So we are waiting outside and I'm just showing you around. I'll take you once I get inside. And I'm capturing all those which I can capture through the glasses. I'm peeking it. So at last we have reached here battered and now we have to wait in line. Our serial number is like 1986. They are not letting us in unless and until those previous coupons. Yes, those previous coupons are all finished. So here we are battered. Saturday, it's too crowded here. I don't know what to do, just wait. I have entered the coffee house and once I enter, I see the iconic place. These cartoons I like much, and this is the second cafe, the second branch of coffee house, Kolkata. And I find it like somewhat not a cafe but a restaurant, but I liked it. Old one I like most, but it's good though. Hey friends, now we are going to order our food, and yes, with my friends I'm dying here to eat something because we have waited so long for it. Nice ambience, and once I get the food then I'll rate. This is fish kobiraji, you must try here, and that is egg sandwich. This is their signature dish. This is again fish kobiraji. This is mixed chow mein. We are eating first, and this is chicken pakoras, fish fingers. You can also try it. Now we are going up as they have the other section on top. So I will quickly take you there. Oh, she's my friend, yeah. So it has a nice ambience, I must say. I liked it. Now I will take you to my gallery. So here it starts. Nice ambience with us.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard.
Guys, stay tuned to my channel for more quirky videos and please do visit. So till then, bye bye.